The easiest way to adjust screen brightness on your Android phone is to do it through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner, and depending on your phone model and settings, sometimes you'll need to swipe down again to see the full panel of settings. You'll usually see a slider like this that you can tap and drag to adjust the brightness of your screen. The screen brightness can be set manually, or you can use the automatic setting, or adaptive brightness like it's often called. On some phones, you can tap and hold the slider, and you'll see a toggle that allows you to turn adaptive brightness on or off. Adaptive brightness will use the ambient light sensor on your phone and adjust the brightness based on your surroundings. If you're in a sunny and bright environment, it'll turn up the brightness. If you're in a dark room, it'll turn down the brightness for you. Another place where you'll find all this is in your settings. I'll go to Display, and from there, I can move the slider and turn adaptive brightness on or off. You'll notice how on my Samsung Galaxy, the slider will turn red when I crank up the brightness all the way up. That's basically a reminder that setting the brightness all the way up will drain my battery faster, and potentially also put some extra strain on my eyes. Anyways, that's how you change the screen brightness on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.